The home side has something going now, and the crowd is loving it. It's the bottom of the 8th inning, and so far it's been a very tight game. 2 outs with a runner on first base. Now the big guy comes up to bat, hitting .342 with 92 RBIs and 36 homers. Swings at the first pitch and fouls it deep back into the stands behind home plate. The pitcher glances over at first base to keep the runner on his toes. Winds up for the pitch, just slightly outside of the plate, and the batter had a good eye on that one. Count is now 1-1 with 2 outs. Runner at first. Pitcher throws the fastball. It's a hard hit. Ground to third. Over to second in time on first. A double play! That ends the rally for the inning. 3 hits, 1 run, no men left on base. After 8 moves. No baseball. Home side, something going now, and the crowd is loving it.